Voice changers have been around for a while now, and they are a great way to change your voice for various purposes. There are many different voice changers available on the market, so it can be difficult to decide which one is best for you. Luckily for you, I am going to show you the best voice changer for PC. So make sure to watch this video until the very end, because I am going to walk you through the full process of installing this completely free voice changer, and setting it up for you to use without any issues. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, open up your browser and then click on the search bar, and then search for Clownfish Voice Changer. And then click on this first search result, clownfish-translator.com. And when you are on this website, what you want to do is click on download. And then it will show you all the download options that are available. So, simply select the one that works on your PC. For most PCs, this 64-bit one will work. So I am going to click on that, and it will start to download that file. It is a small file, so it should not take that much time to download. Once that has been downloaded, click on it to launch it, and then click Yes. And then I am going to guide you through the installation process, so click Next. And then you have these options here. So if you want a desktop shortcut and a start menu shortcut, you can leave these as is and then click Next. You can select where you want this to install, and then click Next once more to let it do its thing. And then simply click Install to install this free voice changer. And click Next. And finally, click Finish. So after that, you want to double-click this shortcut and nothing will show up. It is not going to launch anything, but if you look closely at the right side of your taskbar, you can actually see the clownfish icon. So go ahead and right-click on that and then select Set Voice Changer. And then it will show you a bunch of effects that you can choose from. For example, I am going to click on this male pitch.
And this is what I sound like. If you want to clear this effect, simply click on the Clear Effect button.
That will clear the effect and it will be back to normal. So you can select any one of these.
And if you play any games online, you can troll your friends with this. This is the best free voice changer for your PC. If you have any questions about all of this, let me know in the comments section below. If not, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. Thanks so much for watching. What a